guide bracket. This is a sheet metal part for an automotive, and we are showcasing here the journey of this product from concept to reality using Hexagon products. At this stage, we use Hexagon Absolute Arm to scan this particular part, and we collect 3D point cloud data corresponding to the geometry of this particular part. After scanning, we collect the 3D point cloud data, we import it into our product VisiReverse for doing reverse engineering. From 3D point cloud data, we create a mesh, then a surface, and then convert it into a solid. After we have finalized the design of the product by making necessary modifications to the solid model, now it's time to develop the tooling for that. So we have VisiProgress, using which we can do the press tool design to produce that particular part. It has got all inbuilt standard product libraries which will help you to finish the design of the press tool faster. After the press tool design is completed, we use WorkNC, which is our flagship CAM software, using which we generate the tool path. We have many machining strategies using which we can reduce the machining cycle time. For example, we have waveform roughing, using which we can reduce the roughing cycle time by 30 to 40%. After the toolpath is generated, we have NC Simule, which is our platform for creating digital twin of the machine tool. Using NC Simule, we build the digital twin of the actual machine tool, and we simulate the entire machining process. We optimize the tool path, eliminate the air movements, and ensure that there are no collisions. Hence, we can optimize the entire tool path, and we are ready now to go to the actual machining process. After optimizing the tool path and checking for collisions using NC Simule platform, here we see the actual manufacturing process. And here you see the final forming die after machining. We have WorkExplore, which is a collaborative viewer which can leverage the 3D data created by design department, and it can be seen by all other downstream departments such as purchase, manufacturing, assembly, QA, and they can really have a good feel of the product. They can take section views, they can do different types of analysis such as draft analysis, thickness analysis, curvature analysis. They can create animation showing assembly, disassembly, which can be used as a visual SOP, standard operating procedure, which can be displayed in the workshop. It can also be shared with vendors, customers, by making it as an exe file and protecting it with password. We have WorkPlan, which is our platform for manufacturing operations management. So we have got an inbuilt CRM system. We can import the bill of material. We can do production planning, scheduling, find out which is the bottleneck work center. We can do materials management. We can do NCR management as well. So these are smart factory dashboards using which we can monitor and control the smart factory process, and also take corrective and preventive actions as and when required based on the current signal received. For example, we have smart factory asset management, using which you can understand the performance of various assets. For example, coordinate measuring machine. We can understand also various machines, their current state, and also various parameters related to machine. For example, spindle speed, load, temperature, and if there is any abnormality noticed, we get an alarm signal so that we can take the corrective action. So it also helps for predictive maintenance. Now we have seen how we progressed from concept to reality using various Hexagon production software products, and how at each stage we have added value, thereby reducing rejection, rework. That's why we say make it smarter.